How to download Android apps outside Google Play Store, Complete Guide 2024. Are you tired of the limitations of the Google Play Store? Do you want to explore a wider range of apps that might not be available through the official channel? You're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the exciting world of downloading Android apps from outside the Google Play Store. Whether you're looking for unique apps, beta versions, or simply want to avoid the hefty fees that Google takes from developers, this is your chance to broaden your horizons. Getting started, what you need to know. To install an app from outside the Play Store, the first step is to download its APK file. But wait. Before you dive in, you'll need to tweak a few settings on your device to allow installations from unknown sources. This is a crucial step to ensure you can access a treasure trove of apps that Google might not want you to see. Exploring third-party app stores. You might be wondering about third-party app stores. These are installed just like any other app, but they require an extra step of authorization before you can start downloading your first app. Think of them as gateways to a whole new world of applications. Just remember, while these stores can be a goldmine, it's essential to verify their reliability. You don't want to accidentally download malware or spyware, right? Why download apps outside the Play Store? The landscape of app distribution is changing. With ongoing legal battles, especially in Europe, the exclusivity of app stores is being challenged. While the Google Play Store and Apple App Store remain the go-to sources for most users, Android has always allowed for more flexibility. Developers often seek alternative distribution methods to avoid giving up a significant chunk of their earnings to Google, which can be as high as 30%. This means that by exploring outside the Play Store, you might discover apps that are not only innovative but also support independent developers. Safety first, navigating ethical and security concerns. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, safety. While there's nothing inherently wrong with downloading apps from outside the Play Store, you must exercise caution. Unlike the Play Store, which screens apps for security threats, third-party sources require you to do your homework. Always ensure that the APK files you download come from reputable sources. Remember, no app is worth compromising your safety or privacy. Installing APK files on your Android device. Ready to install an APK? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Tap on the link to download the APK file to your phone. If you see a warning, don't panic, just tap Download anyway. 2. Locate the downloaded file on your device and tap on it to start the installation process. 3. You'll receive a pop-up alert about permissions. Tap Settings to proceed. 4. Toggle Allow from this source to enable installations. 5. Finally, hit Install and watch the magic happen. If you don't see the installation prompt, try launching the APK again. Once installed, the app will appear in your launcher, ready for you to explore. Diving into third-party app stores. If you're interested in third-party app stores, the installation process is quite similar to installing an APK. 1. Visit the App Store's website and tap the APK download link. Again, if a warning pops up, just tap Download anyway. 2. Follow the previous steps to install the APK. 3. Open the newly installed Store app and set up your account. 4. Browse through the store and find an app you want to download. Tap the appropriate button to proceed. 5. You'll see a permissions warning. Tap Install to continue. 6. Follow the prompts to allow installations from this source. 7. Return to the Store app to complete the installation. Once you've set this up, downloading apps from the store will be as easy as pie. Troubleshooting installation issues. For Samsung users, there's a slight twist. Samsung devices have a unique version of Android. To authorize APKs from third-party sources, go to Settings Apps, tap the three-dot menu and select Special Access. Under Install Unknown Apps, toggle the sources you want to allow. If an app fails to install, it's often due to compatibility issues. Just like apps from the Play Store, some require specific Android versions or performance levels. Most modern devices are built on a 64-bit codebase, so 32-bit apps are becoming increasingly rare and should generally be avoided. Final thoughts. Exploring the world of Android apps outside the Google Play Store can be an exciting adventure. Just remember to prioritize your safety and support developers whenever you can. Happy downloading!